Hello friends, so today we will be discussing about international date line. Okay, it is very important. Just opposite to prime meridian, that is 0 degree longitude, there is a line, and that line is known as international date line. Okay, so this line, this is a longitude which is zigzag, that is it is not straight. Okay, there are some longitudes which are not straight. Okay, so this international date line is what? Zigzag. Why it is zigzag, that I'll tell you later on. So this line, international date line, is opposite to prime meridian, or we can say it is just towards the back side of Greenwich meridian. Fine. Now Greenwich meridian is straight, okay, but this international date line is zigzag like this. Okay, and Greenwich meridian has, it is denoted by 0 degree. Okay, fine. But this international date line, it is not straight and it is 180 degree. Okay, and this is zigzag. Okay, not straight. Fine. Before explaining why this line is zigzag, I would like to tell you one thing, that whenever we cross the international date line, dates get changed. Suppose I have traveled by air and I have crossed this international date line, then I have to adjust my date. Okay, so whenever we cross international date line, the dates get changed. Okay, that is why, this is the reason that this line is zigzag at some places. Suppose this is a country, okay, and we imagine that this international date line is passing through that country. Okay, now what will happen? On this side there will be a different date, and on this side there will be a different date. So in order to have uniformity, or in order to have same date on that particular landmass, on that particular area, okay, we have made it pass like this. Okay, so that in this area there is only one date. If this line would have passed like this straight, then this area would have different date and this area would have a different date. So in order to avoid, you can say, a chaos, okay, that's why this line is what? Zigzag. Okay, so now I'll tell you how does the dates change. Okay, so as we travel towards east, okay, as we travel towards east of international date line, okay, we are traveling in which direction? Eastern direction of international date line. Okay, one day is what? Reduced. One day is reduced. Okay, from the prior position. Okay, from the prior position of west and just opposite. Okay, it would be just opposite when we travel to west from a eastern okay, so this is 180 degree international date line. Now this is east and this is west. Okay, now we are traveling, this is my position, okay, and I am traveling towards east and I am crossing this international date line. Now what will happen? One day will be reduced. Okay, suppose the date is 24 and I travel to this place in the eastern portion, the date will be 23. Fine, and just opposite, if we move from here to here, then the date will increase. Okay, so this is how the dates are calculated when we travel and cross the international date line. Okay, fine, and if you have any queries related to international date line or why it is zigzag or how do the dates change, okay, when we travel east or when we travel to the west of international date line, kindly comment in the comment box so that I can satisfy your queries. Okay, thank you.
For more educational videos, please click on subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon for notifications of new videos.